Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your screen timeout to infinite on your SONY Xperia Pro-I. So in order to change that, we'll need to go to our Google Play Store, but first let me show you the settings and display and go to the sleep, and you can see that the maximum timeout is 10 minutes. So to change that to infinite, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and search for an app. It's called Caffeine. Press on this loop right here and then select this app. Now install. After it's done, we can open the app, don't show again, and go to timeout. From here you can change to whichever option you want, but if you want the infinite, make sure it's selected that infinite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.